Hi, my name is Ken Schaefer, and this is a video about why I decided to work with Dr. Rachael Ross. So, over the past 10 years, I have worked with at least half a dozen doctors, probably more, on trying to fix my issues. And certain patterns emerged that were disturbing to me. One, the doctors were not interested in finding the root cause of my problem. They simply wanted to treat the symptoms. And a second issue was that they were consistently using outdated science and medical practices. So at the time I was losing confidence in my current doctor, Dr. Rachel's first intensive came up. Up until that time, I really didn't know much about Dr. Rachael. I was following her on YouTube. I was getting her emails. What I did know is that she was discussing treatment options and treatment methods and other topics that other doctors weren't discussing, at least not with me. And that intrigued me, and that's why I signed up for her first intensive. So over the course of the intensive, we discussed a lot of topics and went over a lot of material, and I realized during that time how impressive Dr. Rachael is. So at the end of the intensive, when she offered a way to continue working with her, I didn't even have to think about it. I didn't hesitate. It was an opportunity I couldn't pass up, and it's an opportunity I'm glad I didn't pass up. So why am I so impressed by Dr. Rachael? Well, there are many reasons. I'll list a few here. The first reason is that she's interested in addressing the root cause of your problems, not just in treating the symptoms. She clearly understands that the body is a complex system and the whole system needs to be treated in order to get the best results. So beyond her medical philosophy, there's who Dr. Rachael is as a person. And she's a very compassionate person, and she's very invested in her patients and their outcomes. And that comes through to me every time I talk to her and anytime I communicate with her.